Prepare yourself for your meditation session. You should be lying on your back with the knees slightly bent and supported if that feels good to you. Make sure that you are warm enough as your body temperature and blood pressure will drop and you might feel cold. Adjust your position by gently rolling your head from side to side, rotating the arms and legs from side to side gently, lifting the shoulders up and down to melt them down so you are at 10% more comfortable. Allow your eyes to soften and close, and keep them that way until the practice has ended. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel where they are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on this part. Feel how it becomes heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Bring your awareness to your lower legs. Feel where they are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on this part. Feel how it becomes heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Bring your awareness to your thighs. Feel where they are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on this part. Feel how it becomes heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Bring your awareness to your hands and arms. Feel where they are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on those parts. Feel how they become heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Feel where they are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on those parts. Feel how they become heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Take a moment here to feel how the legs and arms have become heavy. Feeling your legs and arms heavy like anchors sinking into the ground. Bring your awareness to your pelvis. Feel the hips, the buttocks, the whole weight of the pelvis. Feel where the buttocks are touching the ground. Focus your awareness on this part. Feel the weight as gravity pulls you down. Bring your awareness to your upper back. Take a deep breath in, feeling the expansion of the chest into the back of the heart and the ribs. And as you exhale, let your whole torso melt down onto the ground. Feel the shoulder blades sinking. Bring your awareness to the back of the head. Feel where the head is touching the ground. Focus your awareness on this part. Feel how it becomes heavy and soft, as if melting into the ground. Take a moment here to notice how heavy your head is. Now feel your whole body together. Feel as your whole body is melting down and has become one with the ground. Feel your body anchored, safe, secure, and stable. Stay a few moments here in that feeling of heaviness and security within your own body. Bring your awareness to the breath, noticing the feelings as the air comes in and out of the nostrils. Feel the air coming down as it fills the lungs, coming back up as it comes back out. Now imagine that you are able to send the air down to the very root of your spine. Take a deep breath in and send the air down the spine all the way to the base of it. Take a little pause, feel that point there in your spine and see it in your mind's eye turning a deep red color. As you exhale, feel and see the energy as a deep red light radiating out of this point, expanding into your whole body. Breathe in, sending the air down the root of the spine. Pause to see and feel the energy there. Then exhale, letting the air radiating out into your whole body. Continue that way with the breath. Inhale down the spine. Pause as you feel and see the energy. Then exhale to let it radiate out. Notice if your mind has started to wander. Just notice the thoughts without judgment and without feeling attached to those thoughts. Simply bring your focus back to your breath and let go of the rest. Now bring your awareness to your arms and legs. Gently start to bring some movement back into the fingers and toes. They start to feel lighter again now, no longer anchored to the ground. Gently awaken the spine by stretching out if that feels good. Gently rocking your head from side to side. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and as you exhale, separate your lips and let the air out gently with a smile. Stay here for a moment, feeling how your body has now become lighter again, while still feeling deeply rooted, safe, stable, and secure within it. Tell yourself aloud or in your head, I am safe, secure, and stable. When you feel ready, you can gently reopen your eyes.